أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. يا أيها الذين آمنوا اتقوا الله حق تقاته ولا تموتن إلا وأنتم مسلمون. واعتصموا بحبل الله جميعا ولا تفرقوا. واذكروا نعمة الله عليكم إذ كنتم أعداء فألف بين قلوبكم فأصبحتم بنعمته إخوانا وكنتم على شفا حفرة من النار فأنقذكم منها كذلك يبين الله لكم آياته لعلكم تهتدون. ولتكن منكم يدعون إلى الخير ويأمرون بالمعروف وينهون عن المنكر وأولئك هم المفلحون. ولا تكونوا كالذين تفرقوا واختلفوا من بعد ما جاءهم البينات وأولئك لهم عذاب عظيم يوم تبيض وجوه وتسود وجوه فأما الذين اسودت وجوههم أكفرتم بعد إيمانكم فذوقوا العذاب فذوقوا العذاب بما كنتم تكفرون وأما الذين ابيضت وجوههم ففي رحمة الله هم فيها خالدون.
I will now present the English translation of Surah Al-Imran, verses 103 to 108. I seek refuge with Allah from Satan, the accursed. In the name of Allah, the gracious, the most merciful. O ye who believe, fear Allah as he should be feared, and let death not overtake you except when you are in a state of submission. And hold fast all together by the rope of Allah, and be not divided. And remember the favor of Allah which he bestowed upon you, when you were enemies and he united your hearts in love, so that by his grace you became as brothers. And you were on the brink of a pit of fire, and he saved you from it. Thus does Allah explain to you his commandments, that you may be guided. And let there be among you a body of men who should invite to goodness, and enjoin equity, and forbid evil. And it is certainly they who shall prosper. And be not like those who became divided and who disagreed among themselves after clear proofs had come to them. And it is they for whom there shall be a great punishment. On the day when some faces shall be illumined, and some faces shall be darkened. And as for those whose faces will be darkened, it will be said to them, did you disbelieve after believing? Taste then the punishment because you disbelieved. And as for those whose faces will be illumined, they will be in the mercy of Allah, therein will they abide.